What is up, Farm Squirrel? We are back with another video. And, it's fixing to rain. If you can't tell, it's like 12. And it's fixing to rain. So, yeah, I gotta feed. Like, badly. Feed the chickens. These are fat chickens. But we need to. Oh, look at the duck bite, guys. Yeah, I forgot. Video it, but I got the duck bike back. And I'm thinking about doing a duck bike channel. So I don't really know. If I'm doing one, here's the name. If I ain't, there's gonna be no name. I'll put like no name or something. Tell you guys, it's windy. You like my cowboy hat? It's my dad's. I stole it. I should be feeding right now, but I'm a vlogger, so I gotta vlog. But there's it up by, guys. Look how good it looks. I had to clean it and everything. There was like stickers right here. I just took it off and it looks a whole lot better. There was a 9 and it was moldy on each of these. But look how clean it is now, dude. Like, oh my gosh. We gotta get a front towel. It looks good. It looks good. Gotta get the handlebars, since I broke them. Not my fault. Definitely my fault. What is that? Oh. Wait. Here's food. Still cheaping. Dumb. We gotta feed the dogs. But my mom, since she's pregnant, we gotta be. I really wish I just saw that. I really wish I shut up and recorded it all. Okay. Here's my favorite dog. Here's my dog. I'm joking, Peter. You're one of my favorites. Now Daisy inside. Here's a laundry room, and here's food. Okay, so we gotta feed Peter first. So we unlock, open, there's a bowl. You pour food in the bowl. Just like that. Now you gotta know how to feed. Now come to my house to feed my animals. Not really. Don't come to my house. But yeah, address is Alabama. So go to Alabama and try to find me. Because you're going to have fun trying to find me. I'll do that. Real fun. Okay, I got a food and I got a shot. My dog needs a shot because she has diabetes. You got diabetes? Hey, tap. Oh, she's good. If you got diabetes, you know. You got to get a shot. So let's just pour it in here. There's a bowl, food. Yes, there she comes. Better get out of the way. That big girl. Just open things for a second, then treat. What we're doing? Turn off this light. They have a fan in here. It's hot outside. They got a fan in there. Air compressor. They even have a air conditioner. But we didn't turn on this year because it gets not cold, not hot enough. I swear that dog bike is getting more beautiful by the second. Look at that clean thing. Look at that one chicken up there. We don't zoom in that up. Boom. See up there. Having a blast. Okay. And guys, I'm sorry that I have not posted any videos. It's just been really stressful. Because my mom, you know, she's pregnant. so I've been kind of waiting on her and stuff. But my Mimi, my grandmother, my grandparent or whatever the heck she is. She's my Mimi, that's all I know. She she got sick. She didn't have the virus, but she thought she dumb piece of crap. Thought she did, but she didn't. So thank God for that, because that was bad. But guys, virtual schooling is starting Tuesday for me, I think. So, woohoo! Hope those Big Red, not Big Red, Big Chief. Hey Chief! Having a blast? Yeah, now I'm an idiot, just like you. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Make a noise. You wanna chase me? No? Good, cause I don't wanna chase you. He's so annoying. Every night I come and like shut the door. Gobble, 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 gobble. Every time. Starts freaking out, jumps down when I try to pay everybody. I like chickens, and Peppa Chickens go to locks. Yeah, you hear Ursula. Peppa Chickens go to locks. Okay, I dropped my phone. Don't think I broke it though. Okay, yeah, I broke it. No, wait. I have a screen protector on it, so. Woohoo! Okay. Hi. Dumb Ursula. Like you can tell it's windy out here. The hat was like this. Look at all the trees and stuff. Whew. I take off my hat. Look, don't take off my hat, but I'm taking off my hat. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm so sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but stuff happens. You can't really post a video in all this stuff that's happening. School starts. I won't have time for that. It's gonna be so frustrating not doing virtual schooling. It's gonna be rough. But I might not be able to post a video like every week or every 2 weeks. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit that subscribe button. Oh, guys, I think I know what I'm gonna do. If I get 100, that's asking a lot because it's that far away. 100 subscribers. I think I'm gonna buy me a GoPro, and I also have to. I think I have a computer. Have to buy it. See the close-up of that. Yep, that's poop, guys. That's my dog's poop. But do you see where it is? In the middle of the yard. But if I get 100 subscribers, I will buy me a GoPro, and I'll start making videos of that one on this channel and on that other channel that I was talking about. Okay, that's gonna be fun. And that fool over there, he's gonna get my helmet and the lawnmower. Lawnmower's fun. They should make a toy just a lawnmower though. Like not to mow the yard, just to ride around with, you know? Am I the only one that thinks that? I feel like I am, but who cares? Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the subscribe button. And guys, it's starting so windy. I feel like Michael Jackson now. I see you guys. I see you guys in the next one.